Namaste. Welcome to the series of Chair Yoga. My name is Sandeep. Today we are going to learn Garud Asana, also called as Eagle Pose. Eagle Pose is quite challenging because it is a movement where you roll your legs and at the same time you are balancing. A lot of people initially find it too difficult because when the flexibility of the hip joint is not that strong enough, then rolling the legs onto each other becomes difficult. And after rolling, because you are balancing on one leg, balancing becomes difficult. And that's why, to prepare for that, we can also do this eagle pose sitting on the chair. So I'm sitting like this. It is usually for people who cannot roll, how to understand how to roll, especially taking the support of the hands. So for this, I will bring both my feet together. Just one benefit of eagle pose, because there are a lot of benefits of eagle pose, the Garudasana. One major benefit of Garudasana is sciatica. People suffer from the sciatica pain where the sciatic nerves gets compressed. But when you do Garudasana regularly, it can help to relieve this pain, the sciatic pain. And there are various other benefits of it. So now, the technical part of it, keeping the feet together, and then after keeping the feet together, we just move one leg a little forward. I am using my right leg a little forward in front like this. And then I roll and keep it down above the left leg, as if I'm sitting in a cross leg like thing. After this, few people will find too difficult to turn their foot, the upper foot behind, because maybe the stiffness in the hip, stiffness in the lower back, glute and so on. So what they have to do is, they have to move the lower foot little in front. So I'm moving the lower foot little in front. Then they should try to move the upper toe behind the lower calf muscles. Initially, people cannot even do that. So what they can do is, they can take the support of that particular hand. So my right foot which is up, I will take the support of my left hand to hold somewhere near the ankle and the toes and move the lower foot little towards the left side further. So initially I moved the lower foot, which was the left foot, forward. Then I rolled my upper leg over it, the right leg over it. Now I'm moving the lower foot, which is the left foot, little on the left side like this. Why? So that it will help me, the upper foot, to get engaged, entangled below the lower foot. So after moving the lower foot little towards the left side, the left foot little to the left side, now I'm going to use my hand to just stretch the toe in. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm doing stretching the toe in. Once this is achieved, because this is the difficult part, once this is achieved, remain there. If there is a possibility, then come and bring the leg in the center and then hold there. This is how the flexibility of the little bit of the ankle area and the hip area will improve, and that will make this particular asana seems to be a little easier. Hold for a while, and then whenever you find that you are sitting on the chair, keep practicing this, because this will improve the mobility and this will also become a little easier to do. Because once you are able to do this very easily and comfortably, rolling your leg comfortably without much support, without much hand, then you can start doing it in standing position. Now, there is another way of, after maintaining the feet, there is also the hands that has to be engaged. So the leg which is up, the right leg which is up right now, I will keep the right hand lower and the left hand will go like this. I am crossing the hand. So maybe you can start like this, bring the right hand lower, left hand upper, and you can keep your hands also like this. This is how you can practice. One thing to keep in mind when you take the position of your hand is rolling the shoulders down, not keeping it up, because a lot of time in this position the shoulders will go up. So make sure shoulders are nice and elongated. After you practice this for a few days, then sitting on the chair, what you can do is, you can come a little forward, and after coming a little forward, you can try to balance, you can try to go off the chair, you can try to balance. I'm balancing right now, and I'm also a little supported because I know when I fall, I have chair to come down to. So it becomes psychologically a little easier. Practice this. First thing is to get the feet position right. Second thing is to now balance. So sitting on the chair, coming a little forward, balancing on one leg, and then maybe opening the hand to find a nice balance. When this is done for a few days, then the third challenge is to maintain off the floor, off the chair actually, and then also to fix the hand. Remember, don't be in a hurry to fix the hand. A lot of people are in a hurry to fix the hands. When they do that, they lose their balance. So it's very important that the movement of the hand should be gradual, slow, so that you don't lose your center. Maintain the center and let the focus of attention be at one single point. So after fixing the leg, after going up off the chair, now I'm also going to use my hands. So after sitting, after crossing the leg, after going a little off, finding a balance, opening the hands, and then balance. Hold, focus your attention at one point. And then release. Take the support. Sit on the chair and slowly release your leg. Then you have to try from the other side also. This is how Garudasana will start becoming easier. The eagle pose will start becoming easier because the necessary flexibility required at the hip and the knee and the ankle region will be achieved. As this practice becomes easier, later on, let the chair also go off. Try to do it in a standing position, the classical way of doing the Garudasana, the eagle pose. Friends, if you like this series of videos of chair yoga, please do write to us. And if you have any queries regarding this, just write to us, we will revert it back to you. Keep tuned for more such videos on chair yoga. There are few more videos we are going to come. If you like our videos, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, any questions, please feel free to write to us. We will revert it back to you. Thank you for watching. Namaste.